Hi everyone, here is step-by-step guide how to find TxID or hash on your BitGet wallet account. So first of all, let me swipe down and find here BitGet application and just tap on it. And after that, once you here, you can tap on wallet at the bottom right corner. And now you can tap on search icon right here. And then just type in name of your token. For example, Ethereum. And tap on that. So now you can scroll down until you find history section, and right here you can find your transaction ID and your hash. I hope it helps. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also can watch this new video or this playlist about BitGet wallet. See you next time.